it's my birthday. Well, on Monday, 8th of June. Today is Saturday and I'm currently at Port Lim Safari. I've been here before, I think a month or two ago, but we're back. And today we are doing the Rangers Safari, which is quite different to last time. I did vlog that, but it's not up yet. It might be up after this one, so watch out for that. This one is kind of like my birthday week, so what I'm up to, well, the next 3 days actually. So yeah, the weather is so bad today. It's raining, it's foggy, so hopefully we do see some animals.
In rhino years, she's kind of in her last years. This animal actually has the most expensive wool in the world. So if you were to buy a pair of socks made out of their wool, do you guys want to guess how much you'd be paying? It's about 500. Yeah, I know, it's crazy, right? Right now you might be getting an inch. So all of these guys are native across Asia. You can see some of our boys, these axis deer over here, these spotty ones, they're growing their antlers. You can see this guy has got beautiful fully grown antlers. Then we've got a few on the right and they almost look furry. So it's what we call inversion down here. So this is from one of our African, and because they grow them throughout their whole lifetime, it's a really good way. You just don't try and reach out because it might just slip them like Hey ladies, could we get through please? Hello. Yes, I know. So at the moment they're shedding their winter coat, so they use these vehicles as a bit of a scratching post. So that's why they basically get so close. Hey girls, we need to get through those gates. If you could just go that way, that would be really helpful. Dark one and the taller one stood in front of us. The one that looks like he's got a belly button, these are the boys, these two. This one coming over to say hello, this is Gary. Hey Gary. And then so up to your left, that is the animal that his are actually quite light in colour as well, so he might have a little bit of leucism. It's kind of not quite albino, but maybe about 80 to 90%. Wow. An animal that tops these guys are dragonflies. Like a 98% success rate. Forest buffaloes. They're the smallest subspecies of African buffalo. They've got very sweet faces. Hey boys. Getting a scratch. I bet those ears are just so soft. Basically they're tendons that snap. So when you've got a big... That's so cool. He's very curious today. Yeah, which is kind of savage or smart, depending on how you look at it. Using his bottom teeth and his tongue, getting all that nutrients off. Will they pick up the stuff on the floor or will they just leave that? Yeah, they can. even though they've got super long necks, sometimes they choose to eat grass on the floor. So yeah, they can if they want to. Hey giraffes. So Barney's on a mission there. Scent marking or calling, and their natural behaviours that we want to encourage. Quite slow, so quite often they'll sleep it off, belly to the sun. Kind of. Oh, black rhinos. Hey Zezels. It's okay. It's okay. You can see he's got some green on his horn from where the paint's rubbed off.
I just got off the safari and it was amazing. The weather has cleared up now, but now we are going to get some lunch. We got a chicken burger with some chips. I saw my brown bears. I think they're going to feed them, so that's why they went to that side there. It's like, there's I think 5 bears.
And they are very, very similar to us, but their body language is when there's a positive interaction with them having their back to you, kind of giving you a bit of a stinky side eye, but definitely you don't want to see a smiling, happy look. Where they started a gorilla orphanage. So any little baby gorillas that fall victim to the pet trade or their mums get taken. And then between that site and our 2 parks, over 75 gorillas have been re-released into safe areas out in the wild. Then these guys are part of, whether it's their job to go out.
There was like a babysitter looking after the babies.
Look how pretty these water lilies are. It's June. What's this weather? It's pouring down in rain. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it's literally pouring down in rain. Well, you can't really see because I'm under an umbrella, but yeah. It's dinner time and I am being treated to a laguna. It's just across the road over there. Look how cute this is. It's decoration time. We have some balloons here and birthday banner. I'll show you when we have it up. And the birthday queen is ready. Why is it not moving? It says birthday queen. Let me show you my decoration. We inflated a little too many balloons, so there's still quite a few left here. Ooh. Oh wow, look at the cake! Oh nice! you, thank you. Thank you. Where should we put this? Oh, God. This is my cake. I've just cut it and it's so nice.
Nino?
So good. But it's too sweet. Let me do a little haul of all the gifts that I got. Let me first start with this. This bracelet, cute little bracelet. My mum got this for me. I don't know if you can see it properly. Maybe, yeah. So nice. And then the next thing I got is from Rituals, from my husband. It's the... Let me just open it and show you. It smells so nice. Ah, open! I put nails on, so I can't really do anything. Thank you. It's the Ritual of Meher, and you get like a candle, body scrub, body cream, and a shower gel, and they smell so nice. Oh, so it's sweet orange and cedar, cedar. I don't know how to say it, but it's the yellow. Oh my god, yellow range. This is so hectic. I'll just keep that there. And then I got the Rituals of Yuzakura. This one is a shower gel and shower oil from the Rituals of Ayurveda. And then 2 minis, which is from the same range, and it's a shower gel and lotion mousse. Rituals smells so good. We always go into Rituals just to wash our hands with the scrubs, and it stays super soft. And then the next thing I got is shoes. I was looking at this shoes in John Lewis. I even tried it on, and it was so soft, and it was just so nice to walk in. And because it was quite expensive, it was just under £100, I think, I didn't get it, and my husband went and he bought it for me. They're literally like ballet shoes, and it's so comfortable. It feels like you're walking on air. Does that make sense? I don't know, but yeah. And then he also got me this. You'll see in a vlog when we went to Scotland. He got me this bracelet from Louis Vuitton, and he also got me an umbrella, which is still there. He's been getting me presents here and there before my birthday. Oh yes, the drone, my drone. Let me just show you. And my drone. My drone. So originally he got me the one without the screen thing, and then he returned it and got this one. I think this is actually really good. We've used it, I would say, like 3 times now, and it's amazing. The quality is so good. I believe I'm getting the hang of it. Oh, this has been here the whole time. But yeah, I believe I've got the hang of it. You'll see in like a couple of videos. Any of the ones in Brighton, Southampton, yeah. Oh, Isle of Wight. I've left my Michael Kors, and I'm now wearing these new shoes. We are now heading for dinner at Royal Nawab's. Our reservation is for 6:30, so I think it's going to take about half an hour to get there. Yeah. We have made it.